Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify Partners account step by step. So this is useful if you want to work with Shopify as a developer, consultant, or help build and manage stores for clients. So to get started, I want you to open your browser and search for Shopify Partners, and from the search results, open the official Shopify Partners website. Once you are on the page, look for the Become a Partner button and click on it. Next, Shopify will ask you to sign in, and if you already have a Shopify account, simply choose your account and continue. If you want to use a different account, you can select Add Account and sign in from there. And after logging in, you'll be asked how you would like to get started as a partner. And if you are creating your own partner account, select Create and set up a new partner organization. The other option is for people who have been always invited to an existing partner organization. And from here, Shopify will ask you a few questions about what you plan to do. So for example, you may see options like building Shopify stores for clients, building apps, creating themes, providing services for existing businesses, or choosing other. So simply select the option that best matches what you want to use Shopify Partners for, and then click Next. After that, just follow the on-screen steps and provide the information Shopify asks for to finish setting up your partner organization. And once you complete the prompts, your Shopify Partners account should be ready, and you can start accessing the available partner resources and managing your work through the platform. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.